how to turn on or turn off live translate on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then in here, you want to tap on the phone application. Next, tap on the menu button, then tap on settings. In call settings, we go down and tap on live translate. Next, in here at the top, you want to tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on live translate. Now set up get real-time translation during calls. If you scroll down, you can change the language for live translate. By default, it is set to your local language, but you can change to a different language, or you can download other languages. And after that, tap on the back key, you can also change the voice of the language, the voice type. So depending on the language that you have chosen, you will have different options available for voice.
This is what it sounds like.
And here you can choose to mute my voice so the other person will only hear a translation of what you said. And for the other person, you can also change their language and their voice. And you can also mute their person's voice, the other person's voice. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.